In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font style, size, and color in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a school project, a professional report, or any written document, customizing your text can make it more engaging and readable. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Google document. With the document open, the first thing we need to do is highlight the text you want to edit. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text, or if it's a larger section, you might find it easier to click at the beginning of the section, hold down the Shift key, and then click at the end of the section. Now, let's move on to adjusting the font size. Locate the toolbar at the top of your screen and look for the font size drop-down list. This can usually be found right next to the font name. Click on this drop-down menu, which will present you with a selection of different font sizes. Scroll through these options until you find the size that suits your needs. Once you've found it, simply click the desired font size and you'll see your selected text change accordingly. Next up, let's change the text color. Again, look to the toolbar and find the text color icon, which typically looks like an uppercase A with a horizontal bar beneath it indicating color. Click on this icon, and a color palette will appear, offering you a wide array of color choices to match your design preference. Take your pick from these colors and give your document a pop. Click on your chosen color, and immediately, your selected text will take on the new hue. Lastly, let's refine the style of the font itself. Navigate back up to the toolbar and click on the font drop-down menu, which you'll find to the left of the font size selector. When you open this menu, you'll see a variety of font styles to choose from. Feel free to browse through the options until you find one that fits the tone and style of your document. Once you've made your choice, click on the font name and watch as your text is transformed. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully tailored your document's appearance by changing the font style, size, and color, bringing it in line with your vision or brand. This customization can make your work more visually appealing and ensure that it captures the reader's attention. Remember that practicing these steps will make the process second nature, allowing you to work faster and with greater flexibility in your future projects. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!